Hi everyone, in this video how I will show you how to access or to use the activity reviewer released by your teacher. So when a teacher created an activity, you'll also be able to generate an activity reviewer for you to study for the upcoming task. So make sure it's very important as well to check your accounts here in Grade your classes to know if there are upcoming tasks that the teachers will be giving to you soon or later. So you will know that when the teacher has released an activity reviewer, you will be able to see the start reviewing text button here on the activity card, which is the sample activity 2. So click start reviewing, and in this reviewer, you will know about the topics on what the activity will be about by going through this activity reviewer. So to review the flashcards, so this is the question here. If you click that, it will flip and reveal the answer to you. It's that easy to review in the upcoming task that the teacher will be giving you. So click next. So another question, then if you flip, then that would be the answer. So if you don't want or if you don't like going to the flashcards, you can also view the summary here for the questions as well as the answers and pointers for the upcoming test. And you can also take a practice test so you will be more ready when the exam or the assessments will be given to you. Afterwards, just click submit all and finish. And it will then show you how you did. So I got 3 over 24 out of the 24 items. You can also retake the practice task if you want to perfect it, or but as of now, let's just go to back to class. And that's it. That's how you use the activity reviewer that was released by your teacher. Thank you very much.